Is Kabbage legit? That's what we'll find out. If you had difficulty with cash flow, you probably considered that a business line of credit LOC could be of assistance. Unfortunately, you may also understand that like many of the business loans, credit lines usually require high credit scores, excellent annual revenue, and a couple of years in business, bringing them inaccessible to most borrowers. Consider Kabbage instead. It has relatively small application prerequisites compared to most credit lines in the market. Furthermore, its automated procedure allows you to get accepted and funded in a flash to settle your cash flow before it's too late. In this guide, let's discover the world of Kabbage, what it has to offer, its unique features, loan details, and everything else there is to know. Also, let's see if you can make money with their program. Are you with me? If so, let's get started by checking the quick overview below. What is Kabbage? Kabbage is an online lending platform hails in Atlanta, Georgia. Its priority is on small businesses through an automated service to offer loans instantly and accept borrowers causing without much of trouble. Kabbage is venture-backed by several financial firms that began to offer loans back in 2011. Kabbage started its international presence in 2013 with a UK headquarters, making it known as a worldwide disruptor facilitating small business finance. Kabbage was one of the pioneers in the automated lending world. Small businesses with not much credit scores can usually receive a loan response within the 10 minutes of request. Nevertheless, the comfortability of access comes with a price, such as higher interest rates, and an individual guarantee for loans. Kabbage usually grants the business line of credit contrary to the average loan provided by most other online lenders. The line of credit typically extends up to $250,000 through its automated request process. How does Kabbage works? Qualification and approval process. While other online lenders have you undertake an extended qualification and request process, you can finish the application and get approved for Kabbage immediately and entirely online. To get started, you have to submit some basic details about your business, and all other necessary information like business name with complete address, organization structure, what kind of industry does it belong, month and year founded. Instead of submitting financial documents, such as tax returns and debt statements, with Kabbage, you link your qualification to a business checking account or similar online services that you employ like PayPal or QuickBooks. Kabbage automatically reviews the data on those websites to know if you meet Kabbage conditions for funding. While other online lenders demand borrowers to deliver financial statements, by merely linking your checking account or online banking provider, Kabbage can examine your finances without causing you much trouble as the potential borrower. Kabbage examines your information to know your standard monthly revenue and transaction capacity. Kabbage links with a large number of banks and other services online. You can explore for your bank or online provider during the qualification process. After carrying out a quick analysis of your data, which includes a personal credit check, Kabbage instantly informs if you've been accepted for a credit line with the amount of how much they can offer you. The qualification process usually takes a few minutes to perform, 10 minutes at most. Time until deposit. Once you have been accepted, you can receive the funding at once. Moreover, you can also connect additional services to your account to add and increase your credit line. Kabbage's qualification and approval process are some of the most excellent qualities I ever evaluated in the online lenders world. The company prioritizes the borrowers by doing a lot of fieldwork. Other online lenders company I had reviewed demands a lot of information from the borrowers. Collecting all of these crucial details can understandably be time-consuming and a hindrance to some small business owners. Conditions. Since each business has a unique financial structure, I can't disclose exactly what it will take to get accepted for a credit line with Kabbage. Kabbage will have to inspect your financials, like average monthly revenue, transaction capacity, and credit score, to see whether you'll qualify for a loan and how much they can offer you. There are two minor requirements you need to achieve to get accepted. Must already operating a business for at least 12 months, your business must have an average of $50,000 in annual revenue or $4,200 ordinary income per month over the last 3 months. What sets Kabbage apart from its competitions is the low requirement of revenue. For most of the other lenders, the minimum income must reach at least double the amount that Kabbage requires. Some lenders also need businesses to have operated for longer than 12 months, sometimes up to 24 months or 2 years. Kabbage also evaluates your credit score when determining whether to offer you a loan and deciding the term rate you will have. Kabbage's automated service analyzes the credit report, not the credit score, to know if a small business can be eligible for the funding. Special documentation comprises bank statements and tax returns. However, Kabbage doesn't require additional information like debt structures. Collateral and individual guarantee secures Kabbage fundings. While no fixed collateral is needed, like business or personal assets, the particular security is legally attached to the statement that you will personally pay the loan if your business fails. To make the payment process comfortable, Kabbage gathers all your payments into one due date. It also makes the withdrawal process more straightforward. You can draw on your credit lines by the company's mobile app or using a Kabbage card. These funding ways are unique to Kabbage. Hardly do other lenders offer a mobile app, not to mention the physical card to draw loans. You can also have loan payments and view the history of your dealings through the application. Kabbage does not require any limitations on what you will do of your line of credit. How you use the loan is totally out of their hands. These short-term credit lines are best for managing cash flow or prompt financial projects like marketing or advertising efforts. The term loans are usually 6 to 12 or 18 months. However, the 6-month loans are most commonly used, and rates depend on the month you applied. Who is Kabbage best for? A Kabbage business line of credit if best for you if you're a small business owner with frequent expenses, delivering payroll, utilities, and other duties every month can be problematic if your business slows down. Having to consider a business line of credit can help handle these types of obligations. If you're a borrower needing monthly dues, most regular lenders and business credit cards provide monthly payments. Other lenders typically only offer weekly payments, so business owners wanting a quick solution with monthly payments can wholesomely partner with Kabbage. If you want to fund for emergency purposes. While Kabbage does not provide same-date funding but gaining access to capital, the next business day is enough for most business owners to submit a sudden emergency like utility repair or unforeseen working capital deficits. Kabbage Affiliate Program. Kabbage links small businesses to capital, and that small business owners can apply for up to $250,000 in loans. Affiliates get rewarded $250 for every referral who qualifies for the loan and receive an additional $50 when the referral gets accepted. Every small business owner you refer to will receive a bonus of $50 gift card once Kabbage takes them. As an affiliate with Kabbage, there will be no limitations on how much you can earn. Yes, you heard that right. You can also monitor your referrals on the Share Kabbage dashboard, making it easier for you to access the comprehensive resources to transform an affiliate's website more good-looking, which eventually encourages conversion rates. Why should you promote Kabbage? The clean commission rate makes it simple to calculate how much affiliates can make with this online lending company. The technological platform is an advantage for customers and affiliates. That said, if you have no experience with affiliate marketing, I have something for you. You can build an authority website with free tools to scale up and generate traffic without a credit card's involvement. Make sure to check out my wealthy affiliate review so you'll know the ultimate way to make money online these days. FAQs. Does Kabbage manage your credit? Although there's no minimum credit score needed to apply, Kabbage assesses your statements and analyzes your cash flow. All of this is done instantly for those who request loans under $200,000, while anything above that figures-ish needs manual management. If you submit all the necessary information, as stated above, and deliver all the points, you can expect to get accepted in your credit line in an instant. How much is the interest rate on a Kabbage loan? Based on the online authority reviews of Kabbage loans, interest rates play around 1.25% to 10% in the first months and drop to about 1% for the rest of the payments. There are no official fees or prepayment fines. The APR ranges from 24% to almost 100% in some specific cases. Anyway, you can check the company's free loan calculator to find it out for your distinct amount of loan application. Does Kabbage do a hard pull? Yes. Kabbage does a pretty in-depth analysis of your account, getting various factors into consideration. Since it's a hard pull of details, you can expect your credit score to drop by a couple of points, but this shouldn't be something to be bothered with because it will come back as it is within less than 2 years. How much credit score does Kabbage require? According to the Kabbage reviews online, you should have a minimum credit score of 560. But if you're nearly below that point, you can still apply without any requirements. Kabbage gets several factors into consideration which doesn't demand a minimum credit score. The application process is free, and even if you get denied, you will be instantly informed if you become approved in the future. Pros and cons of Kabbage the Good. Kabbage takes seriously at the complete financial structure to consider creditworthiness. The eligibility is not restricted to high credit score. It prioritizes small and new businesses. Application is simple with real-time funding. It is best for borrowers looking for short-term funding, no annual or monthly maintenance charges. No prepayment fines on the first 6-month and 12-month loan period. The bad, Kabbage doesn't really collaborate with startups. It has higher rates for borrowers with low personal credit. Your business should employ online banking services. No long-term loans or funding. Fees are at the beginning of the period on the 18-month loan term and higher charges at the beginning of the first 6 to 12-month loan duration. Is Kabbage legit? The bottom line: Kabbage is a trustworthy, legitimate company that has been operating since 2009. The loans you'll get from this online lender are backed up by Celtic Bank, one of the top 10 SBA banks in the Western region. For more information about the company's reliability, you can research Kabbage business loan reviews on authoritative websites like BBB, Trustpilot, and Glassdoor. Those small business owners situated all over the US can rely on Kabbage to pay for monthly payroll, inventory, utilities, and other revolving funds. Kabbage is perfect or ideal for small business owners who have a low credit score and need quick cash assistance. Anyone who considers Kabbage to do a business line of credit will be secured with the SSL encryption on its website. A large number of Kabbage loan reviews online testifies that borrowers have simple and quick access to funds. This company works above in supporting small business owners with emergency funds. Their foundation was acknowledged back in 2018 by the Lend 360 convention. So that wraps up my "Is Kabbage legit?" post. Thanks for reading. If you think you have something in mind related to the post above, please be my guest and leave a comment below. Anyways, if you want to enhance your affiliate marketing skills, say no more and check out my reviews on the most legit courses online below. All the best.